Gotemba Premium Outlet sa Japan? Girl, it's not just a shopping mall. It's a cosmetics paradise. As in, 100 of stores, tapos andun pa yung mga fave mong makeup at skincare brands. Legit at naka-sale sila. Estee Lauder, check. Shiseido, check. Budget mo, still surviving? Kung may add to cart sa Shopee, dito naman, add to basket, tapos real life swipe. Outlet prices na, fresh air pa. Tapos may Mount Fuji kang background, parang nagpapafacial ka habang nagsha-shopping. Bakit nga ba magbabayad ng mahal kung pwede ka namang gumanda na may sukli pa for ramen after? So next time na nasa Japan ka, wag lang Mount Fuji ang stock mo. I-Google map mo rin ang Gotemba. Makeup haul with a view? Yes, please!